securing your home just got smarter. Today, we're diving into the world of home security to discover the top 5 smart locks of 2024. Say goodbye to traditional locks and hello to convenience, control, and peace of mind. Join us as we explore the latest innovations that redefine home security, making your life easier and your home safer.
Welcome to Nest. We're going to show you how to lock and unlock the Nest Yale Lock. There are several ways to do it. You can even set your lock to automatically lock itself. Inside your home, the Nest Yale Lock works like a traditional deadbolt lock. Simply use the thumb turn to lock and unlock it. Outside your home, you can use the keypad to lock and unlock by hand. Press the Yale logo or hold your hand on the keypad until it lights up. Enter your passcode and press the check mark. To lock your door, you can use one-touch locking. There's no need to enter a passcode. Just close the door and press the Yale logo or hold your palm on the keypad to lock your door. Of course, you can use the Nest app too. You'll see your lock on the app home screen. It'll also show you if it's locked or unlocked. Tap the lock icon on the app home screen. Then tap and hold the lock button until the ring disappears. If it can't lock or unlock for some reason, the app will let you know. The lock will also tell you what's happening. Auto Lock lets you set the Nest Yale Lock to automatically lock itself after you leave or when you're home. You can also set the time delay for Auto Lock. This lets you give yourself plenty of time to get the mail before your door locks itself. If you have Auto Lock enabled, make sure everyone who shares access to your home knows their passcodes so no one gets locked out by accident.
How can door hardware make a big impact on your business? Discover an affordable way to stand out with a smart deadbolt that makes everyday life easier for your customers. The Schlage Sense Smart Deadbolt, the perfect mix of safety, simplicity, and style. Offered in our most popular styles and finishes to blend seamlessly with door hardware throughout the home, the Schlage Sense Smart Deadbolt installs easily with just a screwdriver. Builders will appreciate the available construction keying, and your customers will appreciate the peace of mind that comes with the highest residential and commercial ratings from BHMA. Once installed, the deadbolt pairs easily with Apple and Android smartphones using the free Schlage Sense app. And since the deadbolt updates wirelessly through the app, your customers are always up to date with the latest features. For even more convenience, Schlage offers a variety of ways for homeowners to control their smart deadbolt while away from home. The Schlage Sense Wi-Fi adapter provides easy access to both Android and Apple smartphones using the app. Or customers can control their smart deadbolt with a home automation system. Discover all of the integration possibilities at schlage.com/sense. The Schlage Sense Smart Deadbolt opens possibilities for your business and your customers by offering an affordable way to integrate smart home functionality with the safety, simplicity, and style of Schlage.
So many tools. So many steps.
SwitchBot lock. Smarter every time.
So many words. So many pages.
SwitchBot lock. Smarter every time.
So much time. So much energy.
SwitchBot lock. Smarter every time.
If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel.